to leave this world alone. I never meant to hurt the ones who care. And all this time I thought we just grow old. You know, no one said it's fair. Tell my baby girl that it's alright. I'm so